Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and now I'm going to show you how to set up and how to use Nearby Share on this device. Okay, firstly you need to open Control Panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. If you have location services here, just enable it. If you don't, click on this button, on the function button, and click edit buttons. Find here location. Find here location. Wait, please. Okay, I have it here. Okay, I have it here. If you don't have, so you need to just drag and drop it here. Okay, enable location and cool. Now find Nearby Share, click and hold on it, wait a while. If the attention window will appear here, click on it and click turn on. But I have this window, so I need to click only enable Nearby Share. Cool. Now you can change your device name, you can change device visibility mode. If you will use hidden mode, you will be not visible for others. If you will use contacts mode, you will be visible only for your contacts. Everyman mode makes you visible for everyone. Cool. And now you can change device. You can change data usage mode. I suggest use data mode because it includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. And cool. That's it. Now we can share and receive files, images, photos, videos using Nearby Share. For example, I want to share, I don't know, this image. Wait a while, please. Okay, for example, this image from my Android device to Tab Z device. So just click Send button on your device, click Share via Nearby Share. Here you will see your tablet, your maybe not tablet, but your Z phone. Click on it, wait a while, and click accept. Cool. That's it. As you can see, image was successfully sent, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.